5 ways to make money on Fiverr. Number 1 is freelancing. Fiverr is primarily known as a platform for freelancers to offer their skills and services. Whether you are a graphic designer, writer, or programmer, or any type of service provider, you can create a profile on Fiverr and sell your services to create money online. Number 2 is gig reselling. Another way to make money on Fiverr is by reselling gigs. You can find high quality gigs which are popular on Fiverr and resell them to clients at higher prices. Number 3 is affiliate marketing. Fiverr has an affiliate program that allows you to earn a commission by referring new clients to the platform. You can promote Fiverr on your website, blog, or social media account to earn passive income online. Number 4, create and sell products. Fiverr allows you to create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, and tablets. By creating high quality products that are in demand, you can potentially earn a passive income stream from Fiverr. Number 5, offer coaching and consultation services. If you have an expertise in any particular area, you can offer coaching and consultation services on Fiverr. Like, comment, share, and make money online.